Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about the overall analysis for Shift 1, 13th May 2026 for TS ISET examination. The overall difficulty level was moderate, mathematical ability was the toughest section, communication ability was the easiest and most scoring section. Well, moving ahead with analytical ability, the topics asked were blood relations, number series, alphabet series, data analysis, problem solving. If I talk about for blood relations, the questions were easy to moderate and scoring. For number series, direct pattern based questions were asked. For alphabet series, they were mostly easy and manageable. Arrangements slightly lengthy and time consuming. And talking about the shapes questions, they were based they were basically reasoning questions appeared when I talk about the shapes. Moving ahead with mathematical ability, the difficulty level was moderate to tough, and the topics asked were from arithmetic, algebra, geometry, mensuration, percentage, time and work, shapes. Talking about for arithmetic, it contained the highest weightage in this particular section. Algebra considered difficult by many students. Percentage, it was formula based direct questions. Ratio and proportion, moderate level questions. Moving ahead with communication ability, the level was easy. The topics asked were from synonyms and antonyms. And you know what? There were direct vocab questions. Moving ahead with articles and prepositions, the standard rule based questions were asked, computer terminology, comprehension passages, and paragraphs questions. Paragraphs questions were simple and less time consuming. So this was the overall analysis. But before I just move ahead, I just want to let you know that we have created an ebook which actually have the detailed insight analysis of this particular examination. So click on the link given to you in the description box. As well as we have also created few articles related to this particular examination. You can access them and have the deeper insight of this particular exam.